Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Today's recipe is from South India that you can eat with dosa, idli, paniyaram, uttapam and much more. This recipe is called onion chutney. This is the very traditional way of making this chutney. Let's start the process. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions. Onion is the base of this chutney, so we will use little extra. I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Try to use the tomatoes which are more red in color. Also, hybrid tomatoes will work best in this chutney, but you can use either one. 4 to 5 red whole chilies. In that also try to use the Kashmiri ones because they give the beautiful color to this chutney. You can increase or decrease the quantity of these chilies as per your taste. Half a tablespoon salt. I'm taking 1.5 tablespoon of peanut, which is also known as groundnut. If you are making this chutney for any deep fried items or shallow fry items like vada or dosa or ape or paniyaram, then use peanuts. Or if you are making idli or neer dosa or uttapam, then use cashew nuts. Both these nuts gives beautiful texture to this chutney and obviously delicious flavor. Today I am making idli and dosa both, so I am using 1.5 tablespoon peanuts and 1.5 tablespoon cashew nuts. Here I have peeled the onions and washed them, and also I have washed these tomatoes. Now I will cut these chilies, tomatoes and onions in big pieces. Always remove the upper part of onion because this gives bitter flavor to our recipes. Friends, if you are new to my channel and like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Here we have cut everything in big chunks. Here on a gas stove I have taken a deep pot. In that I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the red chilies. Fry them for 15 to 20 seconds on low flame. Once they are fried, add the peanuts and the cashew nuts. Keep the flame on low and roast them until they are lightly golden brown. After they are slightly golden brown, I am adding the onions to this. We will not fry these onions, we just want the onions to be translucent. Add the salt, that will help the onions to become soft faster. This cooking process only differentiates the flavor of the chutney. The more you cook these onions, the sweeter flavor you will get in this chutney. That is why we are not gonna cook these onions completely. So about after 30 seconds the onions has become little soft. If you want to make this chutney more sweeter, you can cook these onions for little longer. I want these onions to be like this only, so now I am adding tomatoes. Cook these tomatoes until they become little soft. I am covering the pot with a lid so that the tomatoes can cook faster. Let this cook for 30 seconds or until they are soft. Now these tomatoes are little mushy, so we will switch off the flame and let this cool down a little. After they are little cold, we will transfer these onions and tomatoes in the blender jar. Add half a cup of regular water. Now make a super fine paste. This is ready. As you can see, this is very smooth in texture and little runny in the consistency. This is how this chutney should be. Here I have transferred this chutney in a serving bowl. Let's prepare the tadka for the chutney. Here in a tadka pan, I am adding 3/4 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil get hot, then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they start crackling, add pinch of hing, asafoetida. Then add 2 teaspoon of urad dal. Urad dal gives surprising flavor to this chutney. Once the urad dal is golden brown, add some curry leaves to this and immediately pour this tadka over the chutney. Mix everything and our delicious, very easy to make chutney is ready. This goes perfect with idli, dosa, uttapam and much more. Friends, if you're a fan of ginger and garlic, you can add that also, but trust me guys, making this way the chutney will taste better. I hope you liked today's recipe. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more new recipes. Thank you for this love for now. Bye bye.